The new e-Tropical Inverter series from General. Designed to cool even at an extreme 55 degrees and built to last longer. General, the extreme machine.